To preserve battery health on POCO M8 5G, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we need to select battery. When we enter it, we can go to battery protection. Now inside you will find your battery health, the cycles on how many times you charge your device. First use when you got your phone. Then there's the charging protection, the most important thing that can protect our battery health. So first option is charge fully, which will normally charge your device up to 100% of battery each time you're going to charge it, and this offers you no protection. Now the other two options will offer you protection, and the difference is first, a battery protection. You can extend your battery life by making your phone stop charging when it reaches 80% of battery. So now when you activate this option, your phone will charge to 80% of battery, but at the same time it will protect your battery health. Then the other option is smart charging. Now this option requires something from you as well. If you want to use it, I would recommend to charge your phone on a regular basis. So for example, you will charge it overnight. When you go to sleep on 22 and wake up on 7, your phone will learn the pattern on how you sleep, and that way your phone will be charging to 80% at the middle of the night and then leave at 80%, and when you're about to wake up it will charge back to 100%. That way for most of the time it will remain at 80%, preserving your battery life, battery health actually, and that's how you can help yourself maintain that battery health. Of course, you can go for battery protection or charge fully, it is your choice. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.